Hey, come on, tell us, introduce yourself.
Wide angle, so it's bare wide.
Hi, my name's Yasmin. Nice to meet you. Wow, you're.
Oh shit! Wait, this got bagged. That's long still. Introduce yourself, brother.
I don't mean to alarm you, fam, but I'm actually from the other side of the world, despite my incredible London accent. I'm from Australia, and it's a pleasure to fucking meet you.
It's a fucking oath, guy.
Oh man.
This is BBC Live. I have found 3 lovely friends. Can you
fucking oath, cunt, mate? You fucking sick cunt. You fucking sick cunt, mate.
This is crazy. I am under attack. I'm an Australian under attack.
Build up, man. You got
over there. What's on the feet? What's on the feet? What's on the feet?
check, bro. Read up, bro. What's on the feet, bro? Got the feet,
You got the
leather, bro. Leather shit.
What's on the top? What's on the top? What's on the top, nigga?
Look at the tank. The tank ain't no normal tank, though. Ain't no normal tank, bro.
What's on the ears, bro? What's on the ears, bro?
Look at the bangle. That's the bangle. Look at the bangle. Look at the bangle. Crazy with it, bro.
Good Tottenham. What do we think of shit? My boy said he want to do that shit straight. Let's do this shit, man. Hey, let's do this shit, man. Hey, y'all niggas. You didn't say nothing. He's taking the piss. He can't handle it. You know how you done that? You try flex it like Jordan, I clocked it. Don't do that. Yeah. We're live. Might be all be coming out in the same vlog, I don't know, but IKEA shop. IKEA stuff. That's getting stained still. Undertook. What the candles. Gee, a home library. That's a bit of me still. Yeah, cigar G. It's like a home cinema type vibe. Nah, that's Jeffrey Epstein G.
What is his favorite spot? That's crazy.
You might not know I'm a ball again. 1-2, brother. Hit me. Yes, alright, top bits, tell me which one to go in or I'll hit it.
Now top bits.
This one. Hit the circle, yeah.
I just blasted it over, G.
Nah, I only do crossbar stuff. Let's record. Yo, this nigga already took the shot.
Alright, one more.
Corey's not care.
From here, just a quick one.
That's easy.
Bottom one.
Sorry, bro.
My bad, I'm joking. Man said my mug's dead, G. Sean.
Bro, that is so
Look at your
much
mug.
That is dead. That is dead. That man's is
That's
dead.
a toy mug, G.
Right now we're going candle shopping. I smell this one, G.
It's like vanilla jam.
That one's actually nice though.
This one's decent.
What's it? Swedish, innit? What's that Swedish name? Big up.
Shout out IKEA, man.
Thinking about
That one, you know.
Is it pumpkin?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's pumpkin. This is the best man. That's why it goes out to you. That looks no. You wouldn't cup that? Doormats are what? Let me show them what we're working with today. You get like the cheesy chips, the hot dog, grilled onions, grilled gherkins, and a drink. You get chat to me nice, please. Thank you. G. Taste test on this. I can't lie. 10 still. And what you rating the hot dog then?
needs salt and pepper stuff.